The purpose of this video is to use dimensional analysis to convert metric units. And before we get into the dimensional analysis aspect of it, we need to differentiate base units and prefixed units. And base units are simply just the simplest units in the metric system, or the basic units, or you could say the units that have no prefix. So grams is a base unit, meters, base unit, liters. These are all base units. There are other base units, seconds, hertz, pascals, newtons. Prefixed units have the prefix. And when I say prefix, I mean the prefix from our conversion chart, the one that we've been using. So these prefixes. Now, when we make a conversion using dimensional analysis, and if that conversion is the metric system, first thing we do is we look at the relationship between the two units that are being converted. So we're converting from centimeters to meters. We need to determine the relationship between those two. And so right here we have centi. And so the relationship is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the negative 2 meters. In fact, this whole column, right here, this whole thing, meaning on both sides, this would always be associated with the base unit every single time. You always associate scientific notation with the base unit using this particular conversion chart. So again, 1 centimeter is 10 to the negative 2 meters. So we would write, and I think this is a very good strategy, you would write 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the negative 2 meters. I think it's a really good idea to write the conversion factor first. One mistake kids make often is they don't associate the base unit with scientific notation. When you're doing dimensional analysis, your first step, write what's given, 9.6 centimeters. Second step is to set up conversion factors. Here's our conversion factor. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the negative 2 meters. We arrange the conversion factor so our unit will cancel. Centimeter, meter. What's the number that is associated with centimeters? It's 1. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the negative 2 meters. We cancel our unit in step 3, so the unit that we cancel is centimeters. And for right now, we're not going to worry about calculating. We just want to set these up. I think that's the trickiest part, is just setting these up. Calculating, I think everybody can basically calculate without a lot of issues. Okay, next we want to convert 32.5 milliliters to liters. So we look at our conversion chart. We're going from milliliters to liters. So milli is right here. You would say 1 milliliter is equal to 10 to the negative 3rd liters. One milliliter is equal to 10 to the negative 3rd liters. Again, my base unit is liters. My prefixed unit is milliliters. Scientific notation is always with the base unit. The prefixed unit is always with 1. Dimensional analysis, write what's given. Use conversion factors. Since we have milliliters on top, we want milliliters on bottom. We're converting from milliliters to liters. Whatever you're converting from goes on bottom. Whatever you're converting to goes on top. it's 1 milliliter. It's 10 to the negative third liters. Cancel your units. We could calculate if we wanted to, but we will not right now. We're just trying to practice setting these up. And so the only unit that we have left is liters. One more example. So we're going from kilometers to megameters. Now here's the thing. Notice how neither one of these units are a base unit. They're both prefixed. That means we have two conversion factors. If we look at our examples, we have to go back to our conversion chart. And so we look at our examples. We have kilometers. So here's kilo. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 to the third meters. And then 1 megameter is equal to 10 to the 6 meters. One kilometer is equal to 10 to the third meters. And then 1 megameter is equal to 10 to the 6th meters. First step, write what's given, and then conversion factors. Since we are trying to convert from kilometers, we would put kilometers on the bottom. We're converting 2 meters. We're going to convert 2 meters so that we can convert from meters to megameters. That's 1 kilometer and 10 to the third meters, our second conversion factor. Once we cancel our kilometers, we only have meters on top. That means that we would put meters on the bottom and megameters on top. Our meters is associated with scientific notation. Our base unit is always associated with scientific notation. So 10 to the 6th meters is the same as 1 megameter. Cancel your units. The only unit left over is megameters.